Good morning. Welcome to the daily market analysis by sectors for August 23rd, 2012 by howtotradesafely.com. Please note that this analysis is done for informational purposes only. Today, just after the opening bell, the street gave the Fed short shrift. Stock markets opened lower, and they carried on lower throughout the day. This was because there was some doubt as to whether the Fed was actually going to provide the stimulus or not that is expected to come out either on the Jackson Hole or the September Fed meetings. Taking a look at the broader market, we can see that all four indexes closed lower, between 0.6 to 0.9%. The Nasdaq was the best performing, closing minus 0.66%, whereas the S&P and the Russell both closed at minus 0.8%, and the Dow Jones closed at minus 0.88%. The VIX went up by 0.85 to close at 15.96, while light crude oil dropped by $1.16 to close at 96.08. Looking at the charts, we can see that the Dow Jones is showing three black crows. That's a very bearish signal, signifying that the bullish trend has now become a bearish one. The S&P is also showing three black crows, even though the middle candle is a bit iffy, more like a doji rather than a red candle, but it is a small red one. Nasdaq, a downtrend, but not as convincing a bad trend as the Dow Jones. Russell 2000 also three black crows. So the Dow and the Russell are both showing three black crows, which are very bearish signals. The VIX is going up now, ending up at about 15.96, and oil is also going down. Oil is dropped below the 200-day moving average. What it is like now will depend on what goes on. Looking at the sectors, we can see that the three worst performing sectors were the materials, followed by energy, followed by utilities. The three best performing sectors were healthcare, followed by consumer discretionary, followed by consumer staples. This is a very mixed signal. However, it should be noted that all the stock sector summaries are all showing downturns. And even though this is a very mixed and confused signal resulting from the confusion over the Fed, in my opinion, the market is going to take a downturn today. And that ends my analysis for today. Thank you very much.